do you believe in the law of attraction? Do you use it?
Yeah, of course. I think, yeah, so 100%. Yeah.
What you think about, what you write about, what you talk about, right? To say something and to see it manifest in your reality, right? I mean, good and bad.
Right.
Good
Yeah,
and
I
bad.
would say the reason why I was a little hesitant when I responded. There, at the core of it, yes, but
Yes.
people will take it and stretch it out to be something almost like magic,
No,
or they take it a little bit too far.
I
So
agree with you.
what I would say is, like, if I'm going to the store and I want to, park up front, I don't think me thinking about a parking spot up front is magically going to pull somebody else. That I'm not with.
No, I agree
But
with you.
I believe that our thoughts and what we think about produce action. And so if you're putting yourself in a situation where your time and energy is being consumed by something, then you're naturally going to drive in that direction. And then in that direction, you're going to start seeing a result, whether it's good or bad.
Yes.
If you're struggling with anxiety and a lot of fear, and you're obsessing with that, then that's going to surround you and consume you.
No.
And the result that you're going to see because of it is not going to be a benefit. It's going to be negative. But the opposite is true as well. Like, if you're focusing on, I don't know, you're
This is
focusing on
bad.
building a business, you have your goal, right? That's all you're thinking about 24/7. And, as you focus on that, all these things start coming into play only because you're actually taking steps forward and opening doors and having conversations that are then creating option and opportunity for yourself.
Yeah, The Secret, that's the book, that's the movie that came out. The biggest thing that they missed, and they should make a part 2 to that, what I think, is a law of action, right? Because like you said, law of attraction, one thing you have in your mind, you think about it, visualize it, but to take action, I think when you take the 1, 2 steps, I think God, or whatever you believe, the universe will meet you halfway, but you have to take the steps in that direction. I agree with you.